Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TME. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, the chart's hanging in there. It did have a gap and trap today, meaning, for those of you that are new, price closed right there on Friday, and then this morning opened up there, hence what is known as a gap up. But then after the opening bell rang, you can see the price just basically started to head back downwards. But it's not like the price crashed or anything like that. Now, had the price come down to that green line right there and blasted down through there, at that point, that would have been an absolute train wreck of a day. But that didn't happen. So, yeah, sure, the day could have been better, but it wasn't disastrous either. And just some updates and really reiterations here. The first reiteration is, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from Friday, but I talked about this red line right here at 2075 being an area of resistance. And you can see that after the price dropped back below it, immediately that level went back to acting as resistance both there and there and there. So while I'm not saying that 2075 can't be broken, I'm just saying that, with all the data that we had today, it's become very apparent that if the price does try to curl back upwards, that's going to be the big question mark area right there at 2075. Can the price actually break above it and stay above it? So keep a close eye on that. And I'm also actually just going to get rid of that line up there for now, because even if the price does break through 2075, now all of a sudden you have to worry about and focus on that purple line right there, the 50 period simple moving average, currently valid at, we'll just call it right around 21.25. So keep an eye on those levels from the resistance side of things. As far as supports, yeah, you still have this overarching level down there around 1765. But I do want to add in another one here, which I would call the ideal level at 1925. Ideal meaning, if you're asked, Clay, what would make this chart look the best? Yeah, absolutely ideally, if the price could stay above 1925, that would be fantastic. But if the price does drop below it, not like the entire chart's destroyed, because you do still have that next level down there right around 1765. But overall, the week is young. This one's still getting a whole lot of volume, so let's see how this continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.